Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to buy on Shein app. Now to do that, what you need to do is open a Shein application first. Now once you're at the home page, what you need to do is you need to choose the product that you want to buy from the Shein application. So I'm just gonna go and choose some product from here. So I'm just gonna choose this dress. Once you choose the dress, you need to scroll down and you will see the option size. From there you choose the size for yourself, that is either small, medium or large. I'm gonna go with the medium option. Then you need to choose your delivery address. Here you will have the delivery address to be selected. If you want to choose some other, you can tap on other shipping address and you can provide a brand new from there. Now once that's done and you have chosen your size, you need to tap on add to cart. So this thing is different with each option. That is, now this is for the dress. So if you're buying something other than dress, that is like any product or like any accessories, the option for those are different and you just need to choose the one that you want from all the options that's available for you to choose in the Shein app. Now go to the cart and there you will have the dress that you have just chosen to be ordered or to buy from the Shein application. Here all the product that you have chosen will be added to the cart and then you can do the checkout process. The checkout process is to finally buy the product by providing the card details, that is by paying for the product at first. Now here you need to go and tap on checkout. As you can see, I have only choose one product. So if you're gonna go and choose different one, so you can go and choose another one as well. So I'm going to choose this one. So here you can see there are option of color as well. There's a size and there's the color for the option as well. You can choose the color that you want from here as well. Then tap on add to cart. You can see the addition of the product in the Shein cart of my account. Now I'm gonna do the checkout process. Tap on checkout. Likewise, first thing is you need to check your delivery or the shipping address. That would be on the very top. Then you need to choose the payment method. So you choose the one option that is appropriate for you. That is, you can either use the credit or debit card payment method or you can buy now, pay later option. Then there's PayPal. So I'm gonna go with the debit and credit card option and then tap on place order. Then you need to provide the card details, card number, then the expiry date, last CVV. Once all that is done, you will have this option of remember this card for future use. So if you're gonna use this same card for the another time on the Shein application, you can tap on this toggle moving to the right side, which will confirm and save the card details for the next use. If you do not want that, you can just leave the toggle as it is. Now you need to check the final process, that is the billing address, the amount, shipping cost and the payment security. Once all that is done, you tap on place order. Once you place an order and the order confirmation is done, you will have yourself a product within the time period the delivery is to be done. So this is a way how you can easily buy a product from Shein. You just need to choose the one that you want and make the payment. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.